In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to speak about the picture. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. The picture shows people working together. They look focused and professional. In a conference room, a woman is pointing at a paper on the table. I can see a group of coworkers having a meeting. The picture shows people working together. They look focused and professional.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7.
Imagine that a financial organization is doing research in your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about mobile payments. How often do you use mobile payments?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
What is one problem you have when you pay with cash?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Which feature is most likely to attract consumers to mobile payments? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 15 seconds to respond to question 8 and 9. You will hear question 10 2 times. You will have 3 seconds to prepare and 30 seconds to respond to question 10.
Hello, I'm looking at the Sycamore Tech new hire orientation schedule and have a few questions.
Begin preparing now.
What time does the IT setup start?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I remember that Janelle Ortiz is presenting the company overview. Is this correct?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I heard the lunch is scheduled for 1 p.m. Can you give me all the details about that event?
Now listen again.
I heard the lunch is scheduled for 1 p.m. Can you give me all the details about that event?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now. In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak.
Which of the following is the best way to improve communication skills? Choose one of the options provided below. Taking a public speaking course. Joining a debate club. Practicing with friends. Give reasons or examples to support your opinion.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.